Welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Let's continue with simple linear equations. Exercise 14E, Part 1. If you are unable to solve any problem from your syllabus, you can just post the questions in the comment section so that I can give a solution for it and make a video on that. Here is the first question. Solve for x. So we need to find the value of x. Right, this is the given expression and we need to find this x value. Right, look here children, here it is only numerator side, right? There is no denominator, so you can consider it as it is. Here there is numerator and denominator, but the denominators are different. So our first main aim is to make the denominators equal. For that you need to take the LCM of 3 and 4, right? So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now you need to make this denominators as 12. Instead of 3 and 4, you should make it as 12. How to make it? Look here children, it's 3. Right? Denominator is 3. Always start with the denominator. So to make this 3 into 12, with which number you should multiply? It should be multiplied with 4, right? 4 3s is 12. You are getting the 12. So multiply it 4. Since we are multiplying the denominator with 4, even the numerator should be multiplied with 4 with the same number. Here it is 4. So 4 should be multiplied with 3 to make it 12. Right? 4 3s are 12. So since we are multiplying it with 3 in the denominator, the same number should be multiplied with the numerator also. So always start checking with the denominator, not from the numerator. Is it clear? Now just multiply it inside and you will get like this. X into 4 is 4x, not x to the power of 4. X into x into x into x will be x to the power of 4. But here x plus x plus x plus x is 4x by 12 minus 11 3s are 33, 4 3s are 12. Since the denominators are equal, you can just put 12 down and 4x minus 33. Right? Now get this denominator to the either side because the sign between them is division. So when it comes on the either side, it becomes multiplication. Right? So 12 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 33. Now just multiply this 12 inside with first term as well as second term. 12 into 2x will be 24x plus into minus 12 2s are 24 is equal to 4x minus 3. We need to find the x value, right? So get all the x terms on one side and this numbers on the other side. So when this 4x goes on the either side, it becomes minus. Since it is plus over here, it becomes minus 24x minus 4x minus 33. When this minus 24 comes on the either side, it becomes plus 24. One is having positive, other is having negative. Put the bigger number sign, that is plus sign, and subtract it. You will get 20x is equal to, even here it's the same, minus sign and plus sign. So put the bigger number sign, that is minus, subtract it will be 9. So x is equal to minus 9 by 20 is the answer. For verification, you can even substitute this value in place of x and you can solve it. You will get both sides equal, then your answer is correct. Even verification method, you can do it in your rough book and tell me whether you are able to solve this problem or not, to verify or not. If you are unable to verify, just tell me in the comment section. I will make a video on it and explain the verification for this problem. This is the second question. Here there is no number in the denominator, so it is very easy and simple. No need to take any LCM. Now you can just multiply it inside. 7 should be multiplied with first term as well as with the second term. And this minus 2 should be multiplied, children, not just 2. It is minus 2, so minus 2 should be multiplied. Even here minus 3 should be multiplied. Minus 3 should be multiplied. Most of the children make a mistake by leaving off that minus. When it is minus, you need to be careful. 7 into x, 7x, plus into minus, minus. Always multiply the signs first. 7 fours are 28. Whether it is plus or plus into plus, just do it plus into plus, plus. Minus into plus, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 5s are 10, minus into plus, minus 3x, minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, minus 3 into x, 3x minus x. While doing this problem, just tell this in your mouth, in your mind, right? Then you won't make any mistakes in this. Now just arrange all the x terms together and all the numbers together. Here this both are having minus sign. So just add this. When both signs are having minus sign, just put a minus sign and add it. So 7x minus 5x minus 28 plus 16. I'm just adding this 2. Here one is having positive, other is having negative. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. So minus 2. Now again plus, minus. Again you can solve this one and this. Then what you get is 2x minus 12 is equal to minus 3x minus 2. Now get this x on the either side because we need to find the x value. So it becomes 2x minus becomes plus 3x is equal to minus 12, and this 12 comes on the either side becomes plus 12. 3 plus 2, 5x. Here one is having positive, other is having negative. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it. 10 minus 12, 2 will be, sorry, 12 minus 2 will be 10. We need to find the x value. So get this x 5 on the either side. What is the sign between them? Multiplication. So multiplication when comes on the either side, it becomes division. That is x is equal to 10 by 5. 5 2s is 10. So x is equal to 2. Even in this you can do the verification by substituting this 2 in this in the x place. If LHS and RHS is equal, then your answer is correct. You can just try it in your rough notebook. X minus 40% of x minus 10 is equal to 64. Here, look at this question, children. X minus 40. They are talking about a percent, right? They are talking x minus 40% of x minus 10. So 40%. So first here we need to change this percent into a normal integer because all the other given data is in integers and expressions, right? So we need to change this. How to change this percentage into a normal integer? That is by dividing by 100. That's why you can write this as x minus 40 by 100 into x minus 10. Why are we multiplying this both? Because they are talking about the small portion of this x minus 10 is equal to 64. They're talking about small portion. So to get the full portion, we are multiplying it, right? Because we have removed this percentage and made it into a integer, that is 40 by 100. Now you can just cancel it. You will get 0 0 gets cancelled and 2 2s are 2 5s are. That means 2 by 5, right? So x minus 2 by 5 into x minus 10, and now you can just multiply this 2 by 5 with x term, 2 by 5 with 10 term, that is second term. So x by 1, I am considering this as a fraction because all the others are in fraction form, right? So we need to change this also to fraction form by imagining the 1 in the denominator. So minus into plus, minus 2 by 2 into x, 2x by 5, minus into minus plus 2 into 10, 20 by 5 is equal to 64. Now take the LCM of 1 and 5, it becomes 5. Now to make the denominators 5, here these two fractions are having already denominator of 5. So for this, for making the 1 into 5, you can multiply it with 5. Even the numerator should be multiplied with 5. Here 1, and even numerator can be multiplied with 1 because it is already 5. Even here it's the same. Just multiply with 1, and even here you need to multiply it with 1. So when you multiply it, this is what you get. Now the denominators are equal. So just put 5x minus 2x plus 20. Now one is having positive, other is having negative. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. You will get 3x plus 20 by 5 is equal to 64. Now you need to get this 5 on the either side. First you need to remove the denominators. So for that you need to get this 5 on the either side. What is the sign between these two? Division. So when division comes on the either side, it becomes multiplication. So 3x plus 20 is equal to 64 into 5. So 3x plus 20 is equal to 320. Since we need to find the x value, just keep the x value at the same place and get 1 by 1 on the either side. So first get this 20 on the either side. It becomes 320 minus 10, and it is 300. Since we need to find the value of x, get this 3 on the either side. When you get this 3 on the either side, it becomes division. Multiplication becomes division. So x is equal to 300 by 3. That is, x is equal to 100. Here is our fourth question. First of all, we need to make the denominators equal here since it is different. So for that you need to take the LCM of 3 and 2, it becomes 6. Now to make the denominators into 6, this 3 should be changed to 6, right? For that you need to multiply this 3 with 2. And even the same number should be multiplied with the numerator also. Since the denominator is 2, again we need to change this to 6. So multiply it with 3. 3 2s are 6. You are getting 6, right? Same number should be multiplied in the numerator also. And this 2 should be multiplied with whole expression, that is 2 and 2 minus 3x. 2 should be multiplied this with this whole expression. Similarly 3 should be multiplied with this whole expression. Then you will get it like this. I have placed a braces and made a separate step for that. Now 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6x. Again 3 3s are 9, plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15x by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Now just multiply this minus inside with only with this expression. Only with this 9 minus 15x. Then you will get minus into plus, minus 9, minus into minus plus 15x by 6. Now we need to remove this denominators first. For removing this denominator, you can get this 6 on the either side. When 6 comes on the either side, it is division sign is between them, right? So it becomes multiplication. And here when you get this 3 on the either side, it becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. 3 into 15x minus 6x minus 9 plus 4 is equal to 6 into 2. Now just multiply it inside, and now you can solve it. One is having plus sign, other is having minus sign. So just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. Even here one is having minus, other is having plus. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. It will be minus 15 is equal to 12. Now we need to find the value of x. So get this minus 15 aside first. So it becomes plus 15. 12 plus 15 will be 27. Since we need to find the value of x, get this 27 on the either side. Since it is having multiplication sign, it becomes division. So x is equal to 1. If you want to verify this answer, you can just substitute this x is equal to 1 in place of x and solve it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for many more problems based on simple linear equations. Thank you.